Hello and welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm going to be making this delicious breakfast recipe and I tend to share with you. So let's do this, guys. How are you all doing, guys? We have been very busy, that's why you haven't seen me online. But this morning I'm making breakfasts. I have cabbage, green and purple cabbage. I have carrot and I have red onion. Okay, I'm making some very good egg recipe. Okay, so you can also use this for your egg recipe. So my table, I have paprika. I'm going to go in with paprika. I'm going to go in with some peppers. I like this crushed peppers. I'm going to go in with some parsley. Okay, and I'm using olive oil. I've gone in with a little bit of oil, so I'm going to go in and add my paprika and all the rest of them. Go in with your paprika. One is spicy. Go in with your crushed peppers. I added a little Maggi and salt. I'm not going to add salt to the egg. I'm going to mix everything together. Yeah, this is nice and crunchy. We are using 6 eggs. Here's our egg. You can go in with salt or you can just decide to leave it that way. Okay, we're going to go in with our egg. Allow it to set. Okay, just give it 60 seconds. You can use shawarma wrap for this. You can also use bread. Okay, let's check. Thank you for watching to this moment. If you have watched to this moment, I'm very grateful. God bless you mightily. I appreciate that you stop by every time to watch my videos. Whenever I upload videos, I am thankful. Please help me click on that like button. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. I'm going to toast my bread. In this same pan. I've dished our egg. I'm going to go ahead and take some butter. I need some butter for my bread. Sorry about the noise, guys. I'm the Abubakar in this house. I am the Abubakar. Our bread is ready. This is the time that everybody's waiting for. It's the time everyone is looking out for, guys. Come and eat. Come and eat. Come and enjoy this deliciousness with us. And drop on that comment section what you think about this beautiful breakfast. All right, come and eat, guys. It's time to eat. This is the end result. Guys, this is the end result of my plate. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am very grateful. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please put up that notification bell, so anytime I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you so much, guys. I'll be seeing you guys soon. I'm very busy right now. Thank you all. Thank you. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you soon. Bye. All right, guys. Bye.